this time with mass or weight. What is the most appropriate unit? What do we measure things in? So a ship would be my tons. My flour could be kilograms, it could be milligrams, it could be grams, depending on the recipe. So a lot of our images and things that we use aren't necessarily strictly one size, but it is something that our learners need to be aware of. Life isn't just a one recipe for all. Feathers, milligrams, dogs, depends how big your dog is again, hey? Kilograms or grams. Okay, the conversion diagram for mass and weight. I'm not really going to go through it, you know that. But my analogy that works well with the learners is to think of a giant. So if I think of a giant, he is a heavy, big, strong man that goes stomp, stomp, stomp. And if you look at all your fairy tales, the stomping is methodical. There's a rhythm. It's the same size stomp, for lack of a better word. So he's stomping, his conversion factor is always 1,000. Stomp, 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 1,000. This again is our worked example on comparisons. Which luggage suitcase is the heaviest? Suitcase A, kilograms. Suitcase B, tons. Suitcase C, grams. Which one is the heaviest? Now, which one should we convert? What's the most appropriate unit? Kilograms. And from there, we can multiply or divide and to remember the concluding statement.
If you found this video useful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any new episodes. Follow us on Instagram or Facebook to stay on top of the latest TAS news and launches. So that's it for now from the Answer Series, your key to exam success.